A 2012 Honda Odyssey, and today I'm going to show you how you would jump start your vehicle. So first open the hood, and then underneath this air intake you've got your battery right on the driver's side, your positive terminal here, and your negative terminal here. And you can also double check because the battery itself is going to have a negative here and a positive symbol underneath this. But that said, first I would check, make sure there's no corrosion built up on these terminals that you can clean off with a good rag or brush. You can also take this air intake off if you need to. These little tabs will just pop right off with like a screwdriver or a key. You could just pop these off and then slide this out. That way you've got full access to your battery if needed. But you might be able to access it without doing all that. But then also double check these are nice and tight. So if these connections are loose, you might want to tighten these up on both the positive and the negative. And at that point, with your jumper box or jumper cables, with the metal clamps, you want to connect those directly to the metal here for your positive side, and your negative side clamps directly to the metal as well. And then if you're using jumper cables, make sure your positive leads directly to the positive on the other vehicle and your negative to the negative on the other vehicle. Just because if you have them crossed backwards by mistake, even for a few seconds, sometimes that can cause significant damage to your computer systems, fuses, things like that. But hopefully once you've got these connected, after a few minutes, it is charging your battery enough you can start your vehicle. Worst case scenario, if it doesn't, you just pop this air intake off, and then you have easy access to your battery here to just loosen all these connections. Pull the old battery out, stick a new battery in, and then it's retighten everything. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.